For example, I've eaten a pizza means you ate the pizza at some point in the past and it's relevant to the present because you might still feel full. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Be Fluent Anywhere. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today we're diving into the world of verb perfect tenses. I'll provide you plenty of examples to make this topic crystal clear. In this video, you will learn how to use the present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tenses. So, let's get started. We use the perfect tense to talk about actions or situations that started in the past and continue into the present, or actions that have just been completed. Imagine it's a bridge between the past and now. I did something and it is still important now. For example, I've eaten a pizza means you ate the pizza at some point in the past and it's relevant to the present because you might still feel full. Here are 5 examples. I have visited Paris several times. She has never eaten sushi before. They have lived in this city since 2015. We have just finished our homework. Have you ever been to New York City? Got it? Next one, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that occurred before another action in the past. Before this happened, that had already happened. For instance, I had already finished my homework before I watched TV. Means that you finished your homework and then you watched TV. Here are 5 examples. I had already eaten dinner when she called. By the time we arrived, they had left the party. He realized he had forgotten his keys at home. The book was boring because I had read it before. They had known each other for years before they got married. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to describe actions that will be completed before a specified point in the future. It's like saying, by the time something happens in the future, something else will be finished. For example, I will have finished my chores by 5 p.m. That means your chores will be done before 5 p.m. Here are 5 examples. By this time next year, I will have graduated from college. She will have finished her project by the end of the week. They will have saved enough money to buy a car next month. When you arrive, I will already have prepared dinner. By the time the party starts, they will have decorated the entire house. So remember, these tenses help us express actions in relation to different time frames. The present perfect focuses on the connection between the past and the present. The past perfect shows the order of 2 past events. And the future perfect anticipates an action that will be completed in the future. I hope that makes sense to you. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and please ring the notification bell to stay up to date with English lessons. One more time, if you have any questions or need more clarification about this lesson, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning. Bye.